Subaru is stepping into new territory, literally, with the debut of the all-new Uncharted, a rugged, all-electric crossover built on Toyota's e-TNGA platform. Think of it as Subaru's tougher, more adventurous answer to the Toyota C-HR, but wrapped in a more compact and trail-ready package than the larger Solterra. Power comes from a 74.7 kWh battery across all trims, with 3 variants confirmed for the US: Premium FWD, Sport AWD, and GT AWD. The big surprise: the base model marks Subaru's return to front-wheel drive for the first time in years, boasting 221 horsepower and an estimated 300-mile range. But don't get too attached, it'll only be available in limited quantities. Most eyes, however, will be on the Sport and GT trims. These all-wheel drive versions crank out a punchy 338 horsepower, hit 0 to 60 in just 5 seconds, and offer around 290 miles of range. Thanks to Subaru's Symmetrical AWD with X mode, they are built for everything from gravel trails to snowy backroads. The Uncharted also means business when it comes to tech and convenience: a 14-inch infotainment screen, NACS charging with 150 kilowatts DC fast charging, 11 kilowatts AC home charging, and battery preconditioning for efficiency in any weather. Inside, the Sport gets practical upgrades like a heated steering wheel and water-repellent seats, while the GT adds a panoramic moonroof, ventilated front seats, and premium audio. No official pricing yet, but expect the base FWD model to land in the low to mid-$30,000 range.